team is the process of improving competencies, team member interaction, and the overall team environment to enhance project performance. The key benefit of this process is that it results in improved teamwork, enhanced interpersonal skills and competencies, motivated employees, reduced attrition, and improved overall project performance. This process is performed throughout the project. Project managers require the skills to identify, build, maintain, motivate, lead, and inspire project teams to achieve high team performance and to meet the project's objectives. Teamwork is a critical factor for project success, and developing effective project teams is one of the primary responsibilities of the project manager. Project managers should create an environment that facilitates teamwork and continually motivates the team by providing challenges and opportunities, providing timely feedback and support as needed, and recognizing and rewarding good performance. High team performance can be achieved by employing these behaviors: using open and effective communication, creating team building opportunities, developing trust among team members, managing conflicts in a constructive manner, encouraging collaborative problem solving, and encouraging collaborative decision making. Project managers operate in a global environment and work on projects characterized by cultural diversity. Team members often have diverse industry experience, communicate in multiple languages, and sometimes work with a team language or cultural norm that may be different from their native one. The project management team should capitalize on cultural differences, focus on developing and sustaining the project team throughout the project life cycle, and promote working together interdependently in a climate of mutual trust. Developing the project team improves the people skills, technical competencies, and overall team environment and project performance. It requires clear, timely, effective, and efficient communication between team members throughout the life of the project. Objectives of developing a project team include improving the knowledge and skills of team members to increase their ability to complete project deliverables, while lowering costs, reducing schedules, and improving quality. Improving feelings of trust and agreement among team members to raise morale, lower conflict, and increase teamwork. Creating a dynamic, cohesive, and collaborative team culture to improve individual and team productivity, team spirit, and cooperation, and allow cross-training and mentoring between team members to share knowledge and expertise. And empowering the team to participate in decision-making and take ownership of the provided solutions to improve team productivity for more effective and efficient results. One of the models used to describe team development is the Tuckman ladder, which includes 5 stages of development that teams may go through. Although it is common for these stages to occur in order, it is not uncommon for a team to get stuck in a particular stage or regress to an earlier stage. Projects with team members who worked together in the past might skip a stage. Let's discuss these stages. Forming. This phase is where the team members meet and learn about the project and their formal roles and responsibilities. Team members tend to be independent and not as open in this phase. Storm. During this phase, the team begins to address the project work, technical decisions, and the project management approach. If team members are not collaborative or open to differing ideas and perspectives, the environment can become counterproductive. Norming. In this phase, team members begin to work together and adjust their work habits and behaviors to support the team. The team members learn to trust each other. Performing. Teams that reach the performing stage function as a well-organized unit. They are interdependent and work through issues smoothly and effectively. Adjourn. In this phase, the team completes the work and moves on from the project. This typically occurs when staff is released from the project as deliverables are completed or as part of the closed project or phase process. The duration of a particular stage depends upon team dynamics, team size, and team leadership. Project managers should have a good understanding of team dynamics in order to move their team members through all stages in an effective manner. The set of inputs to the process of develop team consist of components of project management plan, such as resource management plan, project documents such as lessons learned register, project schedule, project team assignments, resource calendars, team charter, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. Let's discuss all of them. Project management plan components include the resource management plan. The resource management plan provides guidance on providing project team member rewards, feedback, additional training, and disciplinary actions as a result of team performance assessments and other forms of project team management. The resource management plan may include also the team performance assessment criteria. Project documents that can be considered as inputs for this process include Lessons Learned Register. Lessons learned earlier in the project with regard to developing the team can be applied to later phases in the project to improve team performance. Project Schedule. The project schedule defines how and when to provide training to the project team and develop the competencies required at different phases. It identifies the need for team development strategies based on variations, if any, during the project execution. Project Team Assignments. Project team assignments identify the team and member roles and responsibilities. Resource calendars. Resource calendars identify times when the project team members can participate in team development activities. It also helps illustrate team availability during the entire project. Team Charter. The team charter is where the team operating guidelines are documented. The team values and operating guidelines provide the structure that describes how the team will operate together. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the developed team process include human resource management policies regarding hiring and termination, employee performance reviews, employee development and training records, and recognition and rewards, team member skills, competencies, and specialized knowledge, and geographic distribution of team members. The organizational process assets that can influence the developed team process include historical information and the lessons learned repository,